what's going on. Now, this is going to be newer content, but today I'm going over the Nabails Canyon ballad song. Now, first, it comes with thread lock. Comes with a pretty nice tool, and then it comes with oil. It's kind of hard to tell, it's like halfway. And then extra spacers, bushing, stuff like that. Screws. Now, over the main thing. It looks really nice, feels really nice. Now, the only problem really is that the weight distribution of it being only steel makes it awkward. Now, that's no problem though, but it can be for beginners. But I certainly have no complaints about it. Very strong, I've dropped it a couple times. It's definitely worth the $50 or $40. Now, you can get this off of their website. Oh, I dropped it. You can get it off their website, Nabails ballad songs, or you can get it off of Amazon and then just search up the Nabails Canyon. Pretty simple. Now, the reason why I'm making this video really is so I'm going to be talking about how I've not posted a video in like a year, and I'm going to be changing that. But yeah, it's been a second. I definitely want to try to get posting more. So that's what's gonna happen starting today. Bye.